Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you want to find out how to get this beautiful glueless bob, yes, completely glueless, you guys, just keep on watching. Look at that.
Yeah, bad girl, that. She just, yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. Me know where you want and need.
All right, you guys, so this review is from none other than I Like Hair. And you guys already know I've reviewed their hair before and I absolutely love their hair quality. So they sent me a bob wig and I'm really excited to see it. I'm excited to try it out because honestly, I've been wanting to wear a bob for a long time now. So let's just take it out the box. But first, I'll just show you guys some goodies they gave me. They gave me a melting band, some other goodies that would be really good to put to replace the wig cap. But anyways, like, let's concentrate on this hair. Already I'm looking at it and I can tell that it's amazing quality. The lace looks like amazing HD quality, so I'm really excited about that. This is how the inside looks. This is how silky the hair looks. And look at that, it's pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, everything. Okay, so I already know that I don't have to do a lot of work to this hair, and that's what we want, you know. So they also have a three combs in there, but the highlight of this is the fact that there is a Velcro string. Okay, so this is what will make it next level. It will make it next level glueless because you can adjust it to the size of your head. So I'm really excited to try that out. So I'm showing you guys how I do it myself. So I just take a flat brush and yeah, I clean the end of that flat brush. It's been a long time coming. I've had to clean it, but yeah. I take the flat brush and my my Fenty bronzer, sorry, and then I'm gonna put it all over that lace. Make sure you blend it out, you guys. It's really important to just blend it and put it on there. And again, as some of you guys know, but if you're new here, the reason why I put my bronzer shade and not my foundation shade is because my forehead is much darker than my face. So you want it to blend to your forehead, not your actual face. And now, as you can see, I'm going to take the Velcro and I'm gonna tighten it around my head so that when I put on this wig, you know, like, it's just gonna be glueless and I don't have to worry about it moving around. So I'm just adjusting it. But what I really like is, look how neat the hair looks, you guys. I have not brushed it. I have not done anything. Look how silky the hair is. The hair is absolutely beautiful. Like, I'm in love. Like, this is some A plus quality hair. And you guys, honestly, I would not tell you guys that I love the hair if I did not. This is a really, really nice bob, and I definitely recommend it 100%. So definitely shout out to I Like Hair for sponsoring this video. But anyways, back to this wig and how amazing it is. Like, look, like I showed you guys before, it's completely glueless. Like, this is absolutely amazing. So yeah, now you guys can just watch me feeling myself, and I'm looking cute, showing you the back, showing you the side, and everything. Anyways, you guys, so if you have any questions, definitely comment below and let me know. Again, I'm just showing you guys how the back looks. It's nice and layered and it's just really nice. And you can see the Velcro like tucks in at the back of the hair. So that's definitely a plus. I'm loving this hair, and honestly, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll definitely see that I have been wearing this wig a lot already, just because this hair is everything. Anyway, so what I'll show you guys too is, if you want it to look a different way, you could tuck it behind your ear and it kind of gives that like natural look to it also, and I really like this look too. All right, and now I'm showing you guys how it will look like if you decide to go ahead and straighten it. So this hair has held up really, really beautiful. I straightened it and it takes heat amazingly. Look how beautiful this is. Look at how shiny it is. I'm so in love with this bob, you guys. It's nice and neat. And yeah, like there's nothing you really need to do to this bob. Look how asymmetrical it is. And just look how like perfect and shiny that it is. And also again, I like doing the behind my ear look. So this is definitely a look you can go for also. Alright guys, see you later and thanks for watching. Bye for now.